Life's blueprint is code DNA's four-letter language scripted by evolution's algorithm. Welcome to Code and Computation, where biology meets bits. On December 27, 2025, with AlphaFold 3 cracking protein folding at atomic scale, we're debugging life's program. How genes compute traits, cells run simulations, and AI decodes the human genome's runtime. DNA is life's source code, 3 billion base pairs in humans. Transcribes to RNA, translated to proteins via codon 64 triplets coding 20 amino acids. With redundancy for error correction, computation enters at replication, enzymes compile strands. With proofreading, fixing 99.9999% errors, mutations, runtime bugs, driving evolution's optimizations. 2025 supercharges the stack. DeepMind's AlphaFold 3 predicts structures from sequence alone, slashing drug discovery time by 90%. CRISPR's Cas enzymes now edit code with AI guides, targeting rare diseases. Neural computation, brains run parallel. Algorithms hippocampus indexing memories like a database. Prefrontal cortex querying for decisions. This code compute fusion heals, AI spots cancer mutations in genomes. Synthetic biology writes custom genes for biofuels. But ethics compute to bias and algorithms? Privacy in your DNA code? The future's programmable if we debug wisely. Life's code computes you. What's one bug you'd fix? Subscribe for more biocode breakdowns, like if computation clicks, and comment. AlphaFold or CRISPR, which codes the future?